Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'll be showing you top 5 companies that you can upload your web novels to and make from $100 to $1,500 per month. Everything that you need is your smartphone. As you can see, I will be making use of my smartphone in this video, and I will be showing you these top 5 companies. So without wasting much of our time, let us go right straight into today's video. Hello guys, my name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I review digital tools, that is applications and websites which are capable to make you money online. So if this is what you like to see, I would advise that you like and you subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more of my videos whenever I drop them. With that being said, let us dive right straight into the video. Alright guys, welcome back to the video. As you can see, this is my phone screen right here on the screen. I'm showing my phone screen to you on the screen right now, and I'll be showing you the first website you can use. You can upload the web novels and you can make money with this first website. So this first website is called Wattpad. Alright, I know you might already know about Wattpad, and for you that don't already know about Wattpad is a website whereby you can upload your web novels and you can make money from them. As you can see on the screen, this is wattpad.com. You can join with your Facebook, you can join with your Google, you can join with your email address. And I already have an account on Wattpad, but for the sake of this video, I do not want to log in, so I can just show you. They also have their app on Play Store, so you can just come to Play Store, and then if you are using an Apple phone, maybe an iPhone, it's on Apple Store. Also, as you can see, this is their platform on Google Play Store. Alright, about Wattpad, there are different, let me just say, several writers who put their web novels on the Wattpad. But the thing is, before you can gain monetization on Wattpad, it takes a very long time. I, for one, I was writing on Wattpad in 2020, early days of 2020, and I uploaded about 3 books on Wattpad, but none of these books could get monetization. But I have a friend who was able to monetize her book on Wattpad, and she's earning from Wattpad. Wattpad has a very strict policy before your book can become contracted on Wattpad. So this is one of the reasons why many writers who have their works contracted in other companies do not have their works contracted in Wattpad, because Wattpad has a very strict policy. You have to meet some very strict criteria before you can gain monetization, and then this is why this is coming very fast. I don't really encourage writers to use this platform, but then if you are willing to get contracted on Wattpad, it is fine. You can use Wattpad for other benefits, such as making your book get reviews, get publicity, and all of that. But if you want to get easy monetization, I do not encourage Wattpad, and this is why we'll be going to the second app or website you can upload a web novel and get monetization. Alright, the second company which can help you monetize your web novel online and you can earn from $100 to $1,500 is a company called Mobile Reader. So let us search that right now. Mobile Reader. You can see I'm in Play Store right now, and this is the app right there. So about this app, okay, let me show you their website also. So when you come to Chrome, you can just search Mobile Reader. on Google and it will bring you to their website, as you can see on the screen. So you can just click on that and then yeah, this is the website. Alright, as you can see, there are many books on this website, over 20 million users on this website, and they have over 10,000 writers, so you can be a writer on this website as well. And I tried this website in late last year, around September last year, September 2023. I tried this website. I uploaded a book on this website, and the book, as you can, if you notice on the screen, you will see the dominant type of book on this website are romance book. As you can see, it's either mafia romance or werewolf romance or billionaire romance that is dominant on this book. But I tried something different. I tried to upload a book that is not even a romance book, and then I saw that I was able to earn something like 50 cents on this website. 50 cents on this website. So it gave me the confidence that if I should upload a romance book on this website, and if I'm very consistent with it, I am going to make over $1,000 on this website, because honestly, writers are really making money on this website. So you just have to follow the trend, write the kind of books you want on this website, that is romance, either werewolf romance, either mafia romance, either billionaire romance. So just write romance book on this website. You are guaranteed to make money on this website when you are consistent with this website. Alright, so we are going to the third website where you can earn $100 to $1,500 monthly right away. Alright, the third company we are looking at is called web novel. Honestly, web novels opened my eyes to a lot of opportunities when it concerns writing. I was writing on Wattpad, and when my book could not get contracted, I got contracted on web novel. So let us click on that and go to web novel. Webnovel.com. They also have their app on Google Play and Apple Store. I'm going to show you that as well. So like I was saying, web novels open my eyes to a lot of opportunities. It is actually the website. This website is actually the website where I made my first money as a writer online. I made $200 in my first month on web novel in 2020, and ever since then I've been open to a lot of opportunities when it concerns writing web novels online. Alright, so they are asking you if it's you want to read female story or you want to read male story, and then to start writing on this platform is kind of tricky. What I mean by it's kind of tricky is because on the page, unlike other websites whereby you will see the apps that will say write, the tabs that will say write, you have to just come to the bottom of the screen right there. Come to the bottom of the screen and click on resources. As you can see, resources, and right there you can see be an author. So when you click on that, it takes you to another page entirely, and then you can sign in and then start publishing right away. But if you are using their app, you can just come to Play Store, and then you can search web novel, and then you can install that on your phone and you start writing. You must understand that every site has their different writer benefits. For instance, for mobile reader, it could be that when you get to 30,000 words, your books will be promoted and stuff like that, blah blah blah. On web novel, it is different. So you must understand the policy that are guiding these different websites before you start writing on them. And this is why I have to tell you this, that many writers are trying to write online and then their books are getting rejected. Honestly, the reason why your book will get rejected is because perhaps your book lacks suspense, cliffhangers, and all other criteria that you need your book to have before you get contracted. Alright, so because of this, I have decided to write an ebook. This will be like a guide to guide every writers out there how to write, what complaint, what this website wants, and you can gain contracts on your book. Honestly, I've been writing since 2020 and this is 2024 and I'm still writing online. I'm still getting contracts on my different books, so I believe that I have the credibility to write this ebook to guide new authors, or maybe authors who have tried their best but could not get contracted on this website. This book will be ready very, very soon, and when it is ready, I'm going to say it on here. I'm going to leave out the link so you can get the links and you can buy the books at a very cheap rate, of course. Alright then, with this being said, let us go to the third way you can make money. To the fourth way you can make money online with writing. Alright, the fourth way to write is with a company called New Reading. But New Reading has two branches. One is called Good Novel and the other is called Mega Novel. For Good Novel, it is for stories which are romance, mafia romance, werewolf romance, billionaire romance, and any kind of romance that you know. And for Mega Novel, it is for fantasy, it is for urban books, story which are male lead, of course. Alright then, so on Google Play Store, we will just go to Good Novel, and as you can see right here, it is already installed on my phone. This is why you see update and uninstall. So I'm going to go to my app and I'm going to click on Good Novel. As you can see, I have this app on my phone, which means that for now I am really using this app to make money online. Alright, so as you can see, let's wait for this to load. Alright, let's wait for that to load. Alright, as you can see on the screen, they are all about romance book, everything romance. This is what they are all about. And then if you want to write male lead stories and you want to earn writing male lead story, everything that you have to do is come to Play Store and search Mega Novel. As you can see, I also have this app installed on my phone, and this is why it says open. So I'm just going to click my application right now. As you can see on the screen, I'm going to tap on Mega Novel, and then you should know that any story that deals with male lead, this is where you publish it, and this is where you are going to make money with this application. Alright then, I as a writer, I have made far above $1,500 using this app, $1,500 using this app, and I can confidently tell you that this app is trustable, and then you can also make money with this website if you are a writer out there. Alright then, please know that if you are not a writer, you should not be using all of this app, because this app are against ghostwriting. If you are caught using ghostwriters, you will get banned, so it is very advisable to stay away from this app if you are not a writer. Alright then, so the last website I'll be showing to you is what we call Pocket FM. A little history about Pocket FM is that Pocket FM were before taking writers from the United States of America, but recently, I think since August 2023 or September 2023, I can't really say about the date. They've started to recruit writers from all over the world. So if you want to start writing on Pocket FM, all you have to do is come to their website and start writing. So all you have to do is click on this Pocket FM. Just search that on Google, and then the first link you are going to see is what you are going to click, and then you can sign up using your email and stuff like that. Alright, then on Play Store, you just have to come to Play Store or Apple Store and search Pocket FM. As you can see, I already have this app installed on my phone, and then you can, this is the app I'm launching right now. I have seen different writers of just recently that they started recruiting writers from all over the world. I have seen different writers from Nigeria, different writers from Philippines who have made over $200 in a single month on this website, and I've seen those who made far above $200. I want you to know that many writers make different money. Alright, so those who make $500 is because their book are doing well. Those who make $20, their book are doing well. Those who make $1,000, it all depends on your readership and how your readership is supporting your book. Alright, then as you can see, this is the app right here. You can publish all kind of books, be it romance, be it fantasy, be it mystery, be it crime, be it any kind of genre you are very good at writing. You can start writing them and publishing them on this application. Alright, then, so if you want to start writing, right, I'm going to leave some links in the video description, and this link will be directing you to different companies where you can start writing for free and you can make money on them every month. So I want you to check out the links and check out